Hi, my name is Josh Nienhuis, and I'm a systems analyst with the Operational Technology, Infrastructure, and Security team here at Interstates. Today I want to share 5 tips to help you stay safe online while working from home. Number 1. Install patches. Windows updates can be configured to automatically download and install, or install when you choose. Many exploits used today are for vulnerabilities that already have a patch available. Don't forget about application updates as well. Browsers like Chrome and Firefox will automatically update just by closing and relaunching the browser window. Adobe and Java also can easily be updated from your system tray. Number 2. Use unique passwords. If you have a complex password that is long and full of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, that's great. But if you use it for every login, all it takes is one site or account to get compromised. And then hackers will easily be able to add your known password to their toolkit. Modern computers can brute force hundreds of thousands of passwords in just seconds. A great solution for this is to use a password manager like LastPass, OnePass, KeePass. They will help store your password securely, generate new, complex, unique passwords for each site or account, and most have a mobile app or browser extension to help you access those passwords on the go. Number 3. Use Two Factor Authentication whenever it's available. Many websites support SMS Two Factor, and there are several apps for your computer or smartphone that provide Two Factor tokens, depending on what your company has in place. This is a great way of preventing access to your account from anyone but yourself. Number 4. Don't give away information over the phone or online when you don't initiate the conversation. Instead, go directly to the business's website and call them back using their listed customer support phone number. Don't click a link in an email to log into your bank. Instead, go directly to their website and log in through there. It's easy for hackers to spoof phone numbers and hide URLs in an email link. Number 5 is a 2-for-1. First, separate your work and personal devices. You may have a desktop or laptop at home already, but it's safer to use your work device to connect and perform work-related duties. Second, use a VPN whenever it's available. A VPN creates a secure tunnel between your home network and your business network. This will help keep your data safe from any potentially prying eyes. And there you have it, 5 helpful tips to keep you safe online while working from home during this period of social distancing.